खुशियों के लिए अच्छी नींद जरूरी है और अच्छी नींद के लिए एक अच्छा मैट्रेस। लिवांटो में हमने आपके लिए एक खास मैट्रेस तैयार किया है जिसमें है 3 प्रीमियम लेयर्स, हाई डेंसिटी ड्यूरा बॉन्ड फोम फॉर अ स्ट्रॉन्गर बेस, रेजिलिएंट फोम लेयर एयर फ्लो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ जो आपके बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन रखे, मेमोरी फोम लेयर फॉर प्रेशर रिलीफ। ये सब मिले एंटी एलर्जिक ऑर्गेनिक फैब्रिक में रैप्ड। लिवांटो मैट्रेस के साथ एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए ऐसा कंफर्ट जो आपकी हर सुबह को बनाए एक नई सुबह और दे फ्रेशनेस का एहसास। किंग साइज लिवांटो मैट्रेस 11 इयर्स की वारंटी के साथ फॉर ओनली 15,000 रुपीज। फॉर फ्री शिपिंग एट योर डोर स्टेप, ऑर्डर ऑनलाइन और कॉल अस। साथ में पाएं a pair of pillow absolutely free. Levanto mattress for a comfortable sleep.
Namaskar and you're watching Claptrap. We are back again. Today we're going to show you lots of bed covers. Bed covers are very important if you want to keep your bed germ free, clean and neat and tucked up. Let's explore some of this. It's a very short video but you will find very cost effective.
Hello Ashish.
Bed covers.
Welcome back to Claptrap.
Thank you.
And we'll start with the basic information.
Yes, please.
Name of the company. हालांकि हमारी मुलाकात आपसे काफ़ी पुरानी है बट वहीं से स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्या नाम है हमारी कंपनी का?
हमारी कंपनी का नाम है जे होम्स
जी।
पानीपत में बेस्ड है।
ओके।
बेस्ड इन पानीपत। वी डील इन बेड शीट्स, बेड कवर्स, ब्लैंकेट्स, कंफर्टर्स. वी डील इन कुशन कवर्स एज वेल. वी डील ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ कारपेट्स and we are into small furniture business as well.
All right. In furniture fraternity, that is called as a loose furniture.
Loose
furniture that can be easily moved from one spot to another spot, right?
Yes,
okay.
movable.
But your expertise, as it shows in your background,
Yes.
is into fabric.
Fabric.
All
right,
kind
yes.
of fabric, right?
All kind of fabrics.
Especially bed sheets.
Especially bed sheets, yes.
Okay. We have done multiple videos with you.
Haan
All
ji.
the Claptrap family members, they know you by face. They must have been actually experiencing your bed sheets and other stuff.
Yes, they are.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So far they have been conventionally buying from, they have been calling you, shopping and all that jazz. Now everything has made very simple.
Very simple, right?
Okay.
Yes, we have
So
tried.
please tell us about that.
We've actually made, there are a lot of calls coming up. We were not able to attend calls, customers are calling up again and again. They're getting upset as well sometimes.
Okay.
We try to apologize for it. But what we have done, we have made a portal, a website launch for them, for our customers. What they can do for that actually, they can view all the products at the same time.
Okay.
The products that are in stock, the products, the designs that are in stock, and every item, every home decor items that are in stock, they can view it. It is specially designed for the Claptrap family members that are regular with us. They regularly place orders and they love us very much. They give us very much love, and for our raw customers for the store as well.
Okay.
So
all right.
basically, what it means, it is just to give a proper service to our customers.
All right. So this site, because it's an online platform, it's 24/7 available.
It is.
You don't have to worry about it.
You don't have to
You
give
can
us a
choose-
call again and again, and you just go to the website, place an order there, and if you got any problem, there is a WhatsApp and a customer care number as well.
You can call there.
Call it from 9 to 9 in the anytime, and we can assist you for that.
All right.
If you
Since
can-
I have visited the website, I have checked it before actually coming here.
Haan ji.
So there are a couple of other benefits also. Not only you can check your stock, but also you can see the kind of products available besides
Exactly.
bed sheets.
Exactly.
More than that is you can see how a bed sheet will appear on your bed.
Exactly.
when it is
कभी
used
कभी
because they are properly displayed.
बिल्कुल कभी bed sheets लेने के लिए customer they just call us for the bed sheets and we are only able to tell them about the bed sheets. But now what we can do, एक कस्टमर हमें जब फोन करता है या फिर हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाता है बेडशीट्स के लिए, एंड व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंज थिंग, दे डोंट ऑर्डर द बेडशीट, दे ऑर्डर द डिफरेंट थिंग्स.
Okay.
Because they like it for
All
that
right.
particular reason.
Done.
So we've got cushion covers, we've got towels with a good range, we've
Right.
got luxury bed sheets, luxury comforter sets, we've got furniture items, all items that are in stock. And there are a lot of other items as well that we don't put it on the website because of the stock availability.
Okay.
But we can customize it for any customer.
All
They can
right.
give us a call for that.
True. And next section.
Yep.
From bed sheet, we are moving on to the next one, right? Bed covers.
There are a lot of range. There are a lot of people are inquiring about bed covers.
Okay.
Like quilted bed covers, pure cotton. It has
Right.
got a small amount of fiber in it. Very soft. It can be used as a bed cover.
Okay.
And it can be used as a comforter as well.
All right.
Comforter की तरह भी use हो सकता है.
Okay.
So you'll get this one. This is our Melbourne premium bedding range,
All right.
and you can get a 3-piece set And the size approximately is written on it. It's 230 by 250 centimeters.
Okay.
And the 2 pillow cover size is 50 centimeters by 75 centimeters. And the size and the colors are there. You can just put the camera on it and you can see the beautiful colors. We got yellow, we got brown, we got light blue, turquoise, we got beige color, we got coffee color in this. It's a beautiful. We got dark grey, we got maroon. They are very, very good colors. And the quality is really, really good. It is completely king size. And the best part in this is that if you take this out, I'll take one piece out for you. This is a beauty. Look at the quality. And in all bed cover, no thread has been used.
Okay.
The thread has been taken out in this. And all the quality that we used, if you can zoom the camera, you can see that it is been punched by a machine.
Okay.
That is what we call punching.
All right.
An ultrasonic machine is being used in completely threadless piece.
Oh, lovely.
So that when you wash the piece or something like this, you don't get that,
those marks.
Marks or something
Okay.
like that.
I'm getting to understand. मैं समझ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे ट्रेडिशनली क्या होता था. इनको पहले threads के थ्रू थ्रेड से बनाया जाता
क्विल्ट करा जाता था थ्रेड
तो
के
वो
थ्रू.
ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो रफ एजेस होके बाहर निकल जाते थे.
हाँ जी.
लेकिन अब हमने क्या किया है वो आपकी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो, लाइफ इसकी थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो, इसके लिए
और कंफर्टेबल भी है. हाँ जी.
हाँ, थ्रेड्स इरिटेट भी करते होंगे.
इरिटेट करते हैं बहुत.
इसके लिए हमने ये सारे कर दिए हैं. These are the bed covers.
Exactly.
Along with two
pillow covers. These are the pillow cover sizes.
All right.
It has got frill as well.
Okay.
The pillow cover itself has got a beautiful maroon color, same color frill with it. And when you see the bed cover, I'll open one piece for you. It is beautiful cover. It's very heavy. It is very good for gifting range as well. If you want to gift somebody, or if you want to use it personally, it is a very beautiful thing. And as you can see, the beautiful bed cover comes out with a beautiful design. And it is completely washable. You don't have to dry clean it every time. And if you see the back side, just put the camera on it. The back side itself has got quilting in it. So you can use it as a bed cover, or you can,
you can use it to cover
as a
yourself.
comforter as well, like an AC comforter. You can use it with 2 pillow covers. Both things can be used at once.
All right. As you remember, last time we were discussing that everything that you use on your bed has to be skin friendly, because ultimately it's touching your body, be it your face or body. So every single fabric has to be in good quality. Otherwise it can cause a lot of serious damage to your skin.
Right away. Yes.
Right. So these bed covers are basically to protect your bed sheets from the daily dust and daily rut. All right. So get rid of, so your bed sheet will last long.
Yes, that's right.
You don't have to change it, and it's very healthy also, because bacteria will not collect on your bed sheet. And these are available, these are the colors.
These are all available on our website.
Okay.
You can get to jhomesdecor.com and you can easily buy it from there.
All right, done.
Yes, all colors are available.
Some people like them printed, some people don't like.
Yeah, we've got printed as well.
Printed,
the different concept that I was talking about. You can come here and have a look, see that stuff.
Oh, okay.
We've got all sort out. We have done a printing stuff. We have done all things, that same quilting thing in printing. But yeah,
can I see this one? In the meantime, I am going to check out other ones. So what I am getting to understand now, this has got thread.
This has got thread.
Okay, this has got thread, and there are beautiful colors, very nice and elegant.
Beautiful pieces.
And I think everybody should have bed covers, because they keep your mattresses protected, also keep your bed sheet protected from all kind of bacteria and germs. Dust will never get collected on your pillows. Your bed sheet will last long. You don't have to buy your expensive bed sheets every now and then. Only you need to do is just turn it up, spread it on your bed. It can be used from both the sides?
Both the sides, yes. The quilting has been done both sides. It can be used as a bed cover.
Okay.
Beautiful bed cover with got a frill on it. All side has got frills on it. So it looks really, really adorable, really gorgeous
because
on
you
a
generally
bed.
don't tuck in the bed, right?
Yeah, it doesn't need to tuck in. Just spread it out on the bed.
Okay.
And it looks really marvelous.
All right,
beautiful.
done.
And on the back side, this has got plain fabric. The plain fabrication has been used on the back side. It is very friendly for your skin and easily washable. No need to dry wash it.
Okay.
We got around 8 to 9 colors in this. We got
As we have seen it here.
8 to 9 colors in this.
Shades, floral, and
pastel, floral, geometrical.
Okay.
We got all abstract printing, starting from this lavender shade.
Okay.
Lavender. We got this brown color as well. The same color that I've shown you before. And this is a sea green type of color. This is a blue one.
Okay.
This is a sea green again with a different shade on it. This is got pink, if somebody likes a little bit fluorescent thing on the bed. And this a light lavender, we can say purple.
Okay.
And when we get this, a greyish tone is being used on the off-white base.
Okay.
And this is again a brown stuff.
All right. Very
Beautiful.
outlandish thought. Suddenly just struck my head.
Yep.
There are a lot of designers, Ashish, those who want to create something for them, right? Something for their own exclusive client, not for everybody.
Yep.
They don't want run-of-the-mill things. And they want something to be done and they check something, they want to be printed on it exclusively. Do we customize them for them as well? Because they're the premium segment clients.
Yeah, we do it.
We can do that for them?
We do it. We do it.
Like Burberry checks and Chanel checks and all
Yes,
that?
we do it. We've got photos available.
Okay.
And we just do that for particular kind of clientage. And if they give us a call on the number
All right.
and let us know their requirements, and we can
we'll
provide
customize them.
we can customize with the best prices possible.
Okay.
And again,
Done.
we'll keep in mind the calls are from Claptrap, so we have to be very cost-effective.
Thank you very much
Yep.
for making it. Let's move on to the
Thank
next
you
one.
so much. Thank you for coming.
Okay, so time to sign out. Before
Yep.
we do that, once again, we remind all the viewers, kindly visit to the website being popped up on the screen.
Yep.
And it gives you wings to fly.
Yeah,
Makes it
we
little
used to
easy
fly.
for you, right?
You go through the website and you can be accessible to all our store.
Okay.
You can get every product on our website right away with the accessories related to home. We are coming under home furnishings. We're getting into sofa fabrics as well. The
Okay.
sofa fabric will be there, the designs will be there, and you can get a swatch, you can get a sample, we can provide it to you. आप आराम से जाइए, होम डेकोर की कोई भी आइटम, फर्नीचर से लेके बेडशीट, फर्निशिंग्स, बेड कवर, डेकोर आइटम से लेके हर चीज़ तक आप डेकोर हमारे स्टोर पे जाइए, get a good discount on it, and if you want extra Claptrap discount, you can get it as well, and get it delivered to your doorstep without any problems and with the
Alright.
ease.
Done. If you want to gift it to somebody else, mention somebody else's address.
Name and with the address, and on the remarks just put the address down, and on the remarks just put it down. We can gift pack it for you and we can send to that particular loved one.
All right. Thank you very much for
Thank
showing
you
us
so
around.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.